We have an iData Link T-harness. Looks cool. We have a First Tech Brain CompuStar. Let's put this in there and see what happens. Okay, haven't done one of these exactly, but if anything serves right, it's all in this corner here. So all we have to do is pull. There's a little latch there. Q7s have a cigarette lighter for the back. This one does not. Okay, pulls that out. Okay, we're looking at this guy here. There is a little clip. There's a clip. And push it in and lift it up. Wondering if we can do it without taking this paneling off. Makes maybe speed up the process a bit. In theory, don't get your fingers caught. Should come out. And these want to go underneath this. So what's catching?
Let's just two connectors. There's two connectors, a black one and a brown one. So I'm looking at this. In the back corner here, there's two bolts. Look at the camera. Yeah, it's the wrench that you always lose.
Can't really see much. It's braille. Look at that. Okay, there's our light. There's our harness. There's everything. I know nothing about this.
Tell me a story, Floyd.
Tell me a story. Well, this is a purple one.
I remember that's part with the pain.
Yeah, you are correct. I'm sure it hasn't changed much.
A week.
You gotta hold your tongue right. You gotta line up those. There you go. That was quick. Cool. The ones I lifted on these two cam brackets, and then this fuse. There's this fuse here, made it a lot easier, and there's just a little push button to get at, and it just goes back on. Usually iData documentation basically doesn't give you tips and tricks unless there's something really weird. Well, that's cool. Look at that.
It's a coffin?
It's a coffin. Take the battery out. Make sure you take the wrong battery or the right battery out. And put this in here.
Nice little key.
Yeah.
They have to surrender a key.
Yes, they do.
It's better than doing the rock.
There we go. That just plugs in here. Okay. And okay, I can't remember what the programming sequence was. Anything going on with the lights there?
They're green. Off.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on the brake. I'm going to get you to push on that button. Again.
Okay, got it pushed.
And green.
It's currently red.
Okay, release it.
Flashing. Off.
Cool.
Is that it?
That was it. Hold on, let's see if this works then. 3 locks. Oh, that's so cool. I love that.
The lights?
Yeah.
High five.
If you saw something that helped you, give this video a thumbs up. If you're curious to see what I break next, consider subscribing. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.